human engineers shouldn't ground cables and pipes. This is why we made Leo do it for us. By the way, I'm Maor, the co-founder and CEO of Leo AI, the company that builds the AI for physical products. I was a mechanical engineer in the defense industry and then an AI researcher at MIT. And we built Leo AI to solve problems that we're experiencing firsthand as mechanical engineers. So as you can see here, Leo designed the full coffee machine, but forget about the coffee machine for a second. Look at the routing. So Leo routed all the electrical cabling and water lines end to end. It picked material rated for the job, like tubing that handles hot water on the heater circuit, and it followed the rules that all of us know and hate to apply by hand. The bend radii are respected, the lines supported and kept away from heat. They are routed so the technician can actually reach them in the field. This is hours of tedious work done just in minutes. Here's the thing. Routing isn't hard engineering. The rules are clear, but it takes weeks to apply. So this is what eats our time as mechanical engineers. This is a job that we have not assigned for. We wanted to design the next generation of robots, automotive, medical devices, but eventually this serious work takes tons of our time. This is what we've heard from hundreds of engineers that we talked to in the aerospace, defense, data center industries. And those kind of jobs should be the first to be offloaded to Leo AI. We believe that mechanical engineers, human mechanical engineers, should focus on what they love, what we love, and do best, which is building great products and orchestrate AI agents to do the tedious work for them. We should manage, we should lead the innovative, the creative process. And Leo should do all the rest for us. But we're not doing this alone. We're doing this with you, mechanical engineers from around the world that want to change how mechanical engineering is going to look like in the next few years. We're listening to your problems, and this is how we decide what to build next. So please let us know here in the comments, what would you like us to build next for you? I promise you that we read every single comment, and this is how we define what Leo is going to do next for us mechanical engineers.